Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.6 on VMware Workstation. First download by going to Oracle official website, that is oracle.com. Then click on products, then scroll down. See here in hardware and software section we have the Linux. Click on Linux, then download Oracle Linux. Then select the ISO images. See here we have the 4 types of ISO images: full ISO, UVK, boot ISO, and source ISO. Okay, go through each definition and see here we have the latest version of the Oracle Linux is 9.6 and these are the older versions. And see here we have the full ISO, boot ISOs like boot and UVK, UEK, okay, source ISO. So based on requirement you can download the ISO image. I am going to download DVD ISO. Okay, so the size of DVD ISO is more. Click on it. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 12.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Oracle Linux 9.6 DVD ISO image. Okay, but if you want boot ISO, just click on the first one, that is boot ISO. Its size is very less compared to DVD ISO. See, its size is only 1.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one. Okay. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the downloaded disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse and go to the downloads directory. See here we have the Oracle Linux 9.6 DVD ISO image. Click on open. Then click on next, then provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything, this is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK. Then click on next. Now virtual hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. Then see here if you want to customize any one of these options, you have to click on customize hardware. And here memory selected 3 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes by clicking on this customize hardware. Use this pointer to up or provide manually in megabytes. Then click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish and don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation and click on finish. See, still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, you can click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings, or just select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. Okay, then click on power on this virtual machine. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrow, select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 9.6 and hit enter. Then select the language and click on continue. And then see here the begin installation has been graded. Why? Because the options are the items marked with red color must be configured. So click on this installation destination. I am okay with the default one, so click on done. Then root password. If you want to log the root account, you have to skip the checkbox. Then I don't want, so unselect it and click on and provide the password. Then you want to allow SSH login with password, you have to keep the checkbox. Then click on done. Then create user. So I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. Then make this user as administrator. It is up to you. Then provide the password. If you want to click on advanced options, you have to click on here. I don't want, so click on done. Then software selection, it is optional. See, by default it is selected server with GUI. If you want server, select server. minimal install, workstation, a custom operating system, virtualization host. I am going with server with GUI. Okay. Once you select these options, see here, these are the additional software options available for these base environments. Okay. So select whatever you want, these additional softwares. Then click on done. Time and date, language support, etc. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password. No thanks. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Oracle Linux Server 9.6. Okay. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now, the first step after connecting to Oracle Linux 9.6 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.6 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.